Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this reciprocal gradient using the Holo Rainbow collection from Holo Taco. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The polishes I'll be using today are all from Holo Taco. We have red licorice, orange drink, lemon sucker, green taffy, blue Freezie, purple Slushie, and magenta jelly. I'm also going to be accenting the first layer of gradient with the scattered Holo Taco. And for my base color, I'm going to be using Not Milky White. I added a layer of quick dry top coat, the Holo Taco Super Glossy, in order to prevent the sponging pulling up any of the base color, and I'm going to protect around my nails using liquid latex. For my gradient, I have a makeup sponge, and as usual I'm working with one that's fairly close to the size of my nail. For the initial gradient, I'll be having red at the tip, so I'll be having purple near the cuticle. And I'm just going to go ahead and add a narrow band of each color onto the sponge. And actually, I should have been removing the latex as I went along instead of waiting until the end. But we'll pull it now. I'm going to do just a little bit of cleanup around the cuticle so that when I add a top coat to make sure everything is dry before I add the vinyls, that the top coat doesn't lock in a bunch of polish around the cuticle. once the quick dry top coat has done its job, I'm going to go ahead and protect her on my fingers again with liquid latex. And then I'm going to be using the super skinny straight vinyls from What's Up Nails, and I'll be applying 3 of those on each nail. Before I begin the second round of rainbow sponging, I'm going to apply a layer of white just to give a nice neutral base. But rather than paint it on, I'm going to use a sponge. I find that to be helpful when working with vinyls. So I just took one of the ones that I already used, cut off the used bit, and I'm going to apply it that way. Because some of the white layer is visible after removing the vinyls, I decided to add a flaky Holo Taco on top of it all to help disguise that. Finally, I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat, and today I'm using Holo Taco Super Glossy. So here's the finished manicure, and I initially had some kind of mixed feelings about it, but I think I've decided that I like it. There was a moment when I first started peeling back the vinyls on my left hand that I wished I'd left it as just a plain rainbow gradient and skipped the reciprocal. But I think the flaky on top, which I hadn't initially planned on, helped pull it all together. The flaky is, of course, another layer of holo that the ring light is washing out. So let me give you guys a little bit of flashlight time. If you'd like to see the extended tutorial, that will be up here on YouTube shortly. And if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this one down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.